You know that feeling when it's pouring, you're squinting through a blurry windscreen and the wiper blades are going flat out but you can't see properly? That problem? Most people think it's the wipers, but a lot of the time it's actually something else. So today I'm showing you a simple solution that I guarantee will fix this problem. And the best part? It takes about 15 minutes to do, it lasts for years and costs very little. To better understand the fix, let's quickly talk about why this problem happens in the first place. Your windscreen is made to let in as much light as possible without bending or distorting what you see. The flatter and cleaner the surface, the clearer your vision. So when it rains and the water hits the glass, you end up with an uneven layer of water that bends light and ruins your visibility. The same idea as looking into a pond when the surface is rippling. You can't see what's underneath properly because everything is distorted. So the issue isn't the rain in general, it's the water sitting on the glass. And I guarantee that you have seen this firsthand because even with brand new wiper blades, sometimes when it rains hard enough, you still can't see even with the wipers on full speed. This is even worse when the wiper blades are dirty or worn out. The fix? The less water sitting on the windscreen, the less your view is going to be distorted. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now without relying on your wiper blades. Half of my car's windscreen is coated with IGL window coating, the other half isn't. Let's hit the windscreen with water and look at both sides at the same time. On the coated side, the water beads up instantly and falls out of the way. You can see straight through it. On the uncoated side, the water sticks on and spreads into a blurry sheet of water that is very hard to see through. It's as simple as that. The same environment, the same amount of water, but the surface behavior is completely different and the visibility is completely different. The coated glass clears the water with barely any effort. The wiper blades have a very easy job to do. The uncoated side makes you rely entirely on the wiper blades. And when they're worn out, you can't see much at all. When you're driving, the air actually pushes the water away from the coated side even faster than what I'm showing you here. So you end up seeing what's in front of you much more clearly than a distorted vision because of the water sitting on the glass. And that right there is a big improvement in your safety and comfort. There are also other benefits to coatings. Washer fluids work better, dirt, mud come off easier, bug splatter doesn't stick on as bad, and less glare at night. And in cold climates, it's easier for you to take the ice off. So on long trips and in bad weather, this is going to make a big difference for you and your safety. So, does the glass coating work? Why don't you share your thoughts in the comments after what I have shown you in this video. Everyone thinks that ceramic coatings are just for paint, but when you're driving, it doesn't really matter how shiny your car is if you're going to crash into what's coming in front of you because you can't see them. So if this product sounds like something you would like to learn how to apply, click on this video right here for a simple and easy to follow tutorial that you can do at home, or even better, get a pro detailer to apply it for you and save your time.